Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make traditional French toast. Take 2 large size eggs and whisk thoroughly. You can check the full ingredients list in description below. The ingredients are for 6 thick pieces of sandwich bread slices. Now add 1/3 cup of milk and whisk thoroughly until dissolved. Add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. This is totally optional. You can avoid this step if you want. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Whisk thoroughly until all the lumps get dissolved. Now keep this mixture aside and heat the pan at medium-high and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and butter. I like to use cooking oil because it gives a good brown fry into bread pieces. So when it gets to golden brown in color, as you can see in the video, now you can fry the bread in it. Take 1 slice at a time and just dip both sides. Make sure not to soak the slices and place it carefully in the pan. Let it fry for about a minute until it turns to golden brown. Now flip the slice into the other side and fry until golden brown. Take the slice off from the pan and serve. You can serve this with fried eggs or syrup. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please like, share and comment and consider subscribing the channel. Thanks for watching.